Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to Sadhguru Meditation. Welcome to the ultimate guide to revolutionary life. Are you feeling stuck? Do you look for a dramatic change in your life? Look no further because we have the solution for you. Step 1. Self reflection. Take some time to evaluate your current situation. What aspects of your life are holding you back? Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Step 2. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve and write it down. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Step 3. Create a plan. Break your goals down into manageable tasks. Establish a timeline and prioritize your actions. Stick to your plan and stay committed. Step 4. Embrace changes. Get out of your comfort zone and be open to new experiences. Challenge yourself and push your boundaries. Growth happens outside of familiarity. Step 5. Develop healthy habits. Focus on both your physical and mental well being. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious food, and practice mindfulness. Step 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out supportive friends, mentors, and role models. Surrounding yourself with uplifting people will fuel your transformation. Step 7. Learn from failure. Mistakes are inevitable. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, failure is just a stepping stone towards success. Step 8. Take action now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It may never come. Start taking small steps towards your goals today. You have the power to change your life. Remember, this journey won't be easy, but the rewards will be worth it. Take control of your destiny and watch your life transform before your eyes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content.